Hello everyone, drawstring design. We will start off by folding it and making these loops out of it, and now on either side create two more of these. Take both of the ends, switch the sides, and then taking the left side, pull it through the bottom right loop. Now bring it through the top center as well, and then bring it back down in the center. Now take the right side and then pull the right end through the bottom left loop and then bring it through the center. Bring it from the bottom to the top as such and then bring it back to the center loop. Once you're done with this, tighten the ends and you should be left with the butterfly. Next, make a loop out of some green drawstring, make two of them on either side, pull the end, one of them through two of the loops, and then pull one through the other two. After this, begin to take the other side and then tighten it. Make sure that it falls in the center and now pull it out ever so slightly. Taking the other end of it, pull it through the loop and then this will help it tighten. Now do the same on the other side to elongate this design that we are creating, and this is what you should be left with. Once you are done with this, you may tighten it as you please. Next, we'll start off by taking our drawstring, fold it over, and then create this loop out of it. Make a knot-like design out of it, however, do not pull it tight. Instead, when you are left with the circle, wrap it around either side of it as such. Bring it back to the center and then wrap it around. Go from the left to the right side as such. Continue doing this until you reach the bottom of your loop, and then once you reach the bottom, either that or you are done with the drawstring, then you may tie a knot out of it at the bottom. Before you do so, however, you may also drag it down so that you are left with no more gaps as such. Next, we'll start off by taking two threads to begin with, or two drawstrings. This is the tags we have taken. Now, keeping on in the center, begin to wrap the other two around and tighten it. Next, put one into the other, make two loops out of one of them and one out of the other, and then bring the ends through it and tighten it as such. This is what you should be left with. Thank you for watching.